from R.D. Sharma, class 6, chapter number 4, operation on whole number. In that, exercise 4.4. Does there exist a whole number a such that a divided by a equal to a? Now here a divided by a equal to a, that is exist? Yes. How? If 1 divided by 1 equal to 1 only, right? So whole number we have to take, 1 is whole number, so answer is yes and 1. Question number 2, find the value of 23457, which is 23,457 divided by 1. Let us solve it. First one, we have to divide this by 1. So 23457 divided by 1. Answer the same because here 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 1s are. Okay. Now second one, question is 0 divided by 97. So 0 divided by 97, which is equal to 0 only. Third one, 476 plus 840 divided by 84. Now here 476 as it is, we'll solve the bracket, Bodmas rule. Okay, so first we have to solve the bracket. So divide it, 840 divided by 84, which is 10s. Okay, so 476 plus 10, 6, 8, 4 is the answer. Now fourth one, question is 964 minus 425 divided by 425. Now here Bodmas rule, same way, same as third one, 964 minus 425 divided by 425 is 1. So 964 minus 1 is 963. Now fifth one, question is 2758 divided by 2758 minus 2758 divided by 2758. Now here first we will solve the bracket, division. Okay, so 2758 divided by 2758, so 1s are only, minus same way we will solve the bracket. This answer is also 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. Now last one, 72450 divided by 583 minus 58. Here 72450 divided by, first we'll solve the bracket. Okay, minus is 583 minus 58, which is 525. Now this one we have to divide. Okay, so divide, if we divide this number, then answer is 138. Question number 3, which of the following statement are true? Now this one, same as verification we have to do. First we'll solve LHS and then we will solve RHS. If LHS and RHS are equal, then we can say the statement is true. Let us solve it. Question number 3, first one, question is 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 equal to 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 10 divided by 2. Now first we will solve the LHS, right hand side, which is 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. So 10 divided by 5 2s are 10. First we'll solve bracket. 10 divided by 10 is 1. Now we'll solve RHS. RHS equal to 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, multiplied by 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. Now see here, LHS is 1 and RHS is 10. So what we can say, LHS is not equal to RHS. So the statement is true or false? False, right? The statement is false. See the second one. Question is 35 minus 14 divided by 7 equal to 35 divided by 7 minus 14 divided by 7. See, here bracket first we will solve LHS. 35 minus 14 divided by 7. 35 first we will solve bracket, so minus it. 35 minus 14 is 21 divided by 7, which is 3. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Now for the RHS. RHS is 35 divided by 7 minus 14 divided by 7. This. Okay. So first we will do division, Bodmas rule. 35 divided by 7 is 5 minus 14 divided by 7 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now here LHS is equal to RHS. So here equal both. So what we can write? The statement is true. Now third one, 35 minus 14 divided by 7 equal to 35 divided by 7 minus 14 divided by 7. See, this is same question, but here it is bracket, here it is not. See how much difference if the bracket is not there. Just see the difference. LHS equal to 35 minus 14 divided by 7. Now first we have to use Bodmas rule. So we'll do division first. So 35 minus 14 divided by 7 is 2, which is equal to 35 minus 2 is 33. See, here LHS is 33 and here is 3. Because of bracket, this much difference is there. Okay. Now RHS equal to 35 divided by 7 minus 14 divided by 7, which is equal to 35 divided by 7 is 5 minus 14 divided by 7 is 2. 3. Here LHS and RHS both are different. So the statement is false. Okay. Now we will see question number 4. Question number 4. Divide and check. Question number 4 we have to do divide. Question 1. 7772 divided by 58. Simple division we have to do. Okay. Question number 4. First one, 7772 divided by 58. Simple division. 7772 58. 58 ones are 58 minus here 17 and 6. 17 minus 8 is 9 and 6 minus 5 1, and take the 7 over here. 58 3s are 174 minus 7 minus 4 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, 0, and take 2 down, just 2. Okay, now 58 fours and 58 fours is 232, 0, 0, 0. Now which one is question over here? Question. This is called question, right? 314 and remainder. This is remainder 0. Okay. This number is called dividend and 58 is called divisor. Okay. This is question. 134 is question. 0 is remainder. This one is dividend and 58 divisor. Second one. So 35 divided by 6906. 6 is question. So 1s are 35 minus 9 minus 5 4, 3, take 0. 35 9s are 3 1 5 minus 10 and 3. 10 minus 5 5, 3 minus 1 2, 0. Okay, then take 6 down. 35 7s are 245. So 1 and 1, 0. Now your question is equal to, what is the question? 197 and remainder equal to 11. This is called divisor. 35 and 6906 is dividend. Question number 7. Find the product of two numbers is 504347. If one of the number is 1591, find the other number. Now we have to do product. Product means multiplication. One number we had given, other number we have to find. Let us solve it. Let the other number be x. We will form the equation. X multiply product. One number is given, which is 1591, equal to product is 504347. Now this we have to divide it. 504347 divided by 1591. This is in multiplication. It will goes over here. It will come in division. Okay. So cancellation. This is 1s and this 3 1 7s. Therefore x equal to 317. Therefore the other number be 317. Thank you for watching this video.